In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a watermark in Canva. So first open Canva and click Create a Design. We're going to use Facebook posts for this video. Now you can use the text tool here or upload your own logo. I have uploaded canvas for this video. You can resize it and click on Transparency. So remember that you have to adjust the transparency of your watermark. Make it visible, but not too distracting. Once you're happy with it, you can save it. Click here, click Download, and choose PNG and click on Transparent Background. Now that you have saved your watermark, you can now use it and add it to your designs. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.